Sun on the porch, lawn bright and green, corner a lot welcome with a front porch dream. Two-car garage and the driveway wide. Heritage Preserve has that easy Conway vibe. Step through the door where the warm floors float. Flex room ready for work. I'll let the day go. Brick knot says come feel that brand new spark. Highgarden real estate brings you home by heart. Sweet Birch shine, getting new and ready. Open rooms, calm nights, life feels steady. 4 bedrooms waiting, 2.5 baths too. A screen of night upon new sky so blue. From kitchen light to backyard play, this is a place you'll want to stay. Big Night has the key to your next great day. Highgarden Real Estate will help you find the way. White shaker cabinets, granite cool and bright. Stainless steel sparkle in the island light. Gas range cooking, cafe table near. Gathering moon laughter, everybody feels near. 9-foot ceilings on the main floor rise. Luxury plank runs where the sunlight lies. Powder room polish, trim lines clean. A Syntex Rosella with a moving sheen. Sweet Birch shine, nearly new and ready. Open wounds, calm nights, life feels steady. 4 bedrooms waiting, 2.5 baths too. A scream of night upon new sky so blue. From kitchen light to backyard play, this is the place you'll wanna stay. Brick Night has the key to your next great day. Highgarden Real Estate will help you find the way. Upstairs, law for movie. Homework or play. Laundry, right clothes makes an easier day. Primary suite go with windows wide. Double vanity comfort and a clean walk-in shower inside. Guest room